Hello everybody, welcome to my YouStudio review. I am Brian and today I will explain how YouStudio can help you to grow your YouTube channel. In a nutshell, YouStudio is a 7-in-1 video optimization suite which helps you to rank your videos better on YouTube and improves the click-through rate and video engagement. Key benefits of YouStudio are: 1. See exactly what kind of videos that boost traffic, leads, and sales. Turn YouTube into a viral traffic machine. 2. Compare your videos side by side with your competitors to know exactly why they're doing better. 3. Schedule unlimited videos to the top social media platforms. 4. Set rank monitoring on your videos to know when to take an action. 5. Create stunning YouTube graphics that make your channel pop. 6. Create stunning engaging video contents for YouTube. If you are interested, check out this demo to find out how YouStudio works.
I'm logged into the dashboard right now. As you can see, it's slick, it's nice. Here on the left-hand side, there's the menu bar. It's really simple. There's 7 different tools, video optimization tools, and your subscribers basically gonna get all of them for one low price. If they wanna add their account, they go here to the upper right. There's a notification button right here. Before I even go into the tools, here on the left-hand side, you can see there's video training for them, tutorials that gonna teach them, just how to actually use the software on the day-to-day, and they can change their profile. Now, the 7 tools that they're gonna get, there's a keyword research tool, okay? And again, I'm just gonna give you a quick overview. They just click on this, they click here on find keywords, and then, super simple example. If I put how to make money online here, I can geo-target here by different countries. They can go through the list here, and you can change your source. I'm gonna go with YouTube. You could also do Google, for example. Click here and search, and then super quickly, it's going to give you different keywords, right? Because if you go with this one right here, you're gonna have a hard time, or your clients gonna have a hard time, or their clients, better said, to rank for that, right? So they're gonna get different keyword ideas right here. For keywords that are easier to rank, there's 2 different pages right here. They can click here on research, and then they can dig even deeper and eventually find keywords that are way easier to rank for. Okay, again, this is just a quick overview, okay? Headline creator, you can go here, click on create headline, and it's gonna rank a headline. So I'm just gonna go here again with how to make money online. And I'm clicking on analyze just so that you can see what it does. Super quick, as you can see. And then basically you can go down here and it's gonna rank it. So there's a score right now of 71. And then it's gonna look at structure, grammar, readability. It gives you percentages right here. And then even tips on common words, uncommon words, emotional triggers, power words, brand words, and so forth and so forth. So as you can see, this is a really cool tool that they can use to analyze the headline before they write a headline for their YouTube videos or any other videos that they want to rank out there, okay? And again, just a quick overview, right? This is not a full demo. Finding trending content, that's cool. If I click here on find, I can then go here and say, let's just stick with this, how to make money online. Click here on find and check this out. Super quickly, it's gonna show me right now trending content and popular content, right? So here I can see the Facebook engagements, I can see Pinterest shares, YouTube engagement, which is obviously super powerful. And here, like 4,000 engagements on Facebook for this one here, 7 million views. So I would obviously look into that one. And you can do some research right here and see what's trending, what's hot in your niche, and then, grab ideas from these videos that are out there doing super, super well. We have a U-Ranker. So this is basically a competition spy tool if you want. You can put your keyword here that you want to rank for, then you put your actual YouTube URL right here, and then your competitor's YouTube URL right here, and then our software is going to go out there and compare the two and show you what's working for them so that you can get ideas for that as well. And the other cool thing that you can do here is if you click on ranking notifications, you can actually track your videos. So if you have multiple videos and you want to see if they're improving, if they're starting to rank higher for the keywords, you can do it right here and even get notified as well, which is super helpful. So here, the keyword how to build a website, you can see how you rank, if your rank improved, and so forth. And we have YouScheduler, so basically just scheduling your videos for different social media platforms and syndicating your videos. That is also super helpful. Then we have YouGraphics right here, where you can actually create graphics for your videos. We have, different options right here like resize, rotate, crop, and these are optimized already for YouTube channel graphics. And then here, last but not least, we have the video creator. It's a simple slide creator to create simple videos. And if I click on that, click here on create, and then you can see a simple dashboard right here where if they need to, they can create some nice looking simple videos with this tool right here. Okay, super straightforward. So that's the dashboard. This is YouStudio. It's 7 different tools. Remember, they get all 7 of them for one low price. As this, we are angling it as a New Year special and a 7-for-1 bundle or package deal. Honestly, obviously I'm biased, but this is a great deal. It's going to be under $50 and they get all 7 of them. And remember, they already have all the video creators in the world. But how much nicer would it be if they can now actually optimize these videos and get traffic and rankings for this, okay? So I hope that makes sense. This is the quick overview. Enjoy the rest of the JV.
Hello, everybody, Brian here. I just hope you like this amazing demo of YouStudio. So, if you like this 7-in-1 video optimization tool, then let me spoil you rotten by announcing my astounding bonuses worth $750, which you will get completely free of cost if you purchase YouStudio using my link. These bonuses alone will more than justify your small one-time investment for YouStudio. Set apart the 7-in-1 toolbox you are getting with YouStudio. These bonuses will include exclusive access to 3 cloud-based video maker software, access to Astra Pro WordPress theme and Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin. Check out the link provided in the description of this video to find out the details of these bonuses. If you like my YouStudio review, please share this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we upload regular videos on useful software reviews, digital marketing techniques, and different ways of making money online.